Please take a moment to subscribe to this channel for latest beauty updates. One cup of carrot, 1 cup of beetroot, 1 cup of pomegranate, ginger few pieces, half lemon. Put all the ingredients in a mixer jar. Squeeze lemon. Add a cup of water. Blend to smooth paste. Strain the juice. Now it's ready to drink. Drink skin whitening juice on an empty stomach in the morning. The skin whitening drink helps the skin glow and also makes it spotless. In fact, this vitamin also works as an anti-inflammatory agent that also reduces acne and dark spots. Pomegranate contains generous amounts of vitamin C, enzymes and other antioxidants that heal your skin and improves its glow. Beetroot providing fairer complexion and give you a healthy and pinkish skin. Carrot acts as antioxidant which slows down the aging of cells. Do subscribe, like and share it with your friends. Thank you.